Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So yesterday we talked about the Kite AI airdrop, how to participate on the testnet and what you need to do in order for you to position very well for the airdrop. But right now guys, I've brought you guys another update that you need to take right now immediately before it actually gets saturated. On this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to claim the testnet token. That is the token that you are going to use for the testnet, because right now it is completely new and a lot of people haven't known about this yet, but in the nearest time in the future a lot of people are going to know about it, and by then you are no longer going to be able to claim it as easy and as successful as I'm going to be doing it on this video. So if you participated on the Kite AI testnet as shared yesterday, or if you have watched the video that I made earlier about it, then this update is definitely for you. And on that video I told you guys about how you can be able to get your points, how you can be able to interact with the AI in order for you to get maximum points, and a lot of things. So before you watch this video to the end, make sure that you have already watched this video right here. Check out our channel. Make sure you have watched this video that I made yesterday, how to claim free $5,000 potential Kite AI testnet airdrop using metamask. So make sure you come here and watch this video before we then proceed with the step that I'm going to be taking on this video right now, because on this video we are going to be learning how to claim the testnet token ahead of the because it has not yet been launched officially, but right now this is the best time to claim the testnet token from the faucet before it gets saturated. All right, so right guys, the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and copy the link from the video description box, because the link is always on the video description box. So once you have copied the link, then you proceed with the steps that I'm going to be taking right here on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I tell you all about crypto and I help you position very well from for all good airdrop that we are participating on. I don't just tell you about airdrop, but I guide you and I make sure that you succeed on being eligible and claiming your airdrop like you always wanted. We all are here to make money, isn't it? So right now let's proceed. So once you have copied the link from the video description box, you come over here to your search bar over here on your browser that you are using for the Kite AI. You go ahead and of course paste the link right here. Okay, the name of the website is actually called faucet.gokite.ai. So you go ahead and of course search for it. Okay, so once you just search for it, this is actually going to be taking you to where you are going to be connecting your wallet and also claiming the testnet token that you are going to use for the actual testnet that is coming. All right, so right now we are very early to this project. This project is around just 3 days old and we are already on it. So if you are not following us, then you are definitely not doing it completely right. So this is the website right here. You can see over here we need to select network. Of course we are selecting Kite AI testnet. That is what we have right here, and of course you go ahead and select token. So we are actually gonna be selecting the token right here. You can see this faucet actually has only 55,476 kites, so we are claiming our own right now. That is very important. That's why it is very important that you do it right now so you don't get to miss out. Okay, so over here guys, you can see drop. Okay, they say drops are limited to 1 request in 24 hours. So if you can come, if you can be coming and be claiming this every single day, that's every 24 hours, that is the best thing to do. But once you have just claimed yours, then it is totally okay. So right now guys, you can see right now we need to confirm that that we are not robots. Okay, but before that you need to connect your wallet first. You click on connect. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Your metamask is going to be popping up immediately. Right now you need to connect your wallet like this. First thing first, you need to make sure your wallet is connected, and once your wallet is connected, your wallet address should be showing here. Make sure this is your exact wallet address. You click on this to confirm that you are not a robot. Right now we have verified that we are not robots. So over here you can see this is a testnet faucet. Funds are not real. This is not real fund. You need to put that in mind. Okay, so over here guys, you need to go ahead and of course click on request to Kite. But before that guys, look closely. You can see use the button below to add Kite AI testnet to your browser wallet extension or visit the block explorer. So right now we need to click on add to metamask first before we go ahead and request for the token, because the reason why you are doing this is because you can only add this testnet token to the Kite network. Okay, so right now you click on add to metamask. Right now it's going to be popping up a notification. It only require you to add Kite AI testnet. You click on approve. Once you click on approve, it will be added immediately. It is very simple and straightforward as I'm doing it right now guys. So I believe you are getting the value from this video, and once it is added, we are now going to be proceeding to claiming our faucet token. Right now you click on request 2 kites. Okay, so request to Kite, let's see what we're gonna have right here, and I think we are done. You can see transaction successful on Kite AI testnet. This is of course your transaction ID. So right now let's verify if we actually got something from this. Remember, this may take a couple of minutes or seconds in order for it to appear on your wallet. Okay, so right now I need to visit my wallet right now. When I click over here, guys, on my extensions, I need to select metamask. This is of course my metamask wallet. Let's see if we have received our Kite token right here, and as you can see, okay, it just appeared right now. We have now received our 2 Kite token. All right, remember, this is testnet token, it doesn't hold any actual value. So if you're watching this video right now, congratulations, because you are on your right path to getting or claiming or qualifying for the Kite AI airdrop. Remember, Kite AI airdrop is actually being backed up completely by Avalanche blockchain. So this is a very good one, and this is a nice catch. And the most interesting part of the thing is that this is a pure new project. So if you haven't taken this opportunity yet, make sure you grab it right now and make sure you seize the opportunity before the token right here gets exhausted. Thank you for watching the video. I believe you got a value, and I will talk to you guys on my next video that is coming up very, very soon. It's going to be very, very nice and interesting. Make sure you are right here, and I'll see you very, very soon. Peace.